Good afternoon. Living in Australia part whatever, so I'm having brunch because I got up late this morning. So I'm having taro, KFC chicken, chow mein, pork and crab with some mushroom, not mushroom, what do you call this? Mussel. Mussel? Anyways, the food has already been blessed. Let's go. Yeah, I love my salt. Oh, come on, get out. I'm not an early person, that's why I have my brunch almost every day. Because I get up so late. Well, this is leftovers from yesterday. And no, I didn't cook all this. This was given to us. We are blessed to have people that feed us. Just kidding. But yeah, we were given this food. Somebody brought this food over for us. Thank you to whoever brought the food over. So good. You know the taste of the food here in Australia and in America is different. So even though we buy KFC in America, the taste of the KFC here is way better than the one back home. Even the Samoan food tastes a lot better here, but it tastes better in the island. This is good. Come back for more.